Need to sign a PDF but don't want to install Adobe Acrobat or print the document first? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Chrome to sign and annotate PDF files for free. You'll learn how to add a handwritten signature, highlight important text, remove annotations, and save the edited PDF, all without installing any extra software. Welcome to Zimist Coded. I already have a PDF file saved on my desktop. Instead of opening it with another PDF reader, simply right-click the PDF file. Select Open With, then choose Google Chrome. The PDF will open directly in Chrome's built-in PDF viewer. At the top of the PDF viewer, click the Annotations button. This opens Chrome's built-in annotation tools, allowing you to write, draw, highlight, and sign directly on the PDF. Let's begin by adding a signature. Select the pen tool. You can choose a pen color that you prefer. You can also adjust the pen thickness to make your signature thinner or thicker. Now simply draw your signature on the PDF. If it doesn't come out the way you want on the first try, don't worry, you can always try again. Tip: if the signature area is too small, use the zoom controls to enlarge the document. This makes it much easier to draw an accurate signature using your mouse, touchpad, or stylus. Now let's highlight some important information. Select the highlighter tool. Just like the pen tool, you can choose a different highlight color and adjust its thickness. Then simply click and drag over the text you want to emphasize. This is especially useful when reviewing documents, study notes, contracts, or reports. Made a mistake? No problem. Click the Delete or Eraser tool. Then click the annotation you want to remove. It's a quick and easy way to clean up unwanted drawings or highlights before saving your document. Once you're happy with your annotations and signature, click the Download icon. Chrome gives you two options: with your changes and without your changes. Since we want to keep all the annotations and signature we've added, select With Your Changes. Choose where you'd like to save the file, then click Save. Your signed and annotated PDF is now ready to share. And that's how you can sign and annotate PDF files directly in Google Chrome. No extra software required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.